Okay, now you've done the pirouette with a waltz. Now let's do the pirouette with a balancé. And a slightly different beginning in that let's do a little pas de cheval. You're going to step forward, stretching the toe and do, but same idea. Try not to move that toe, because then the more you have to use your muscles here, the better. Plié, do your pirouette. Okay, now you're going to balancé, effacé, and a balancé, has a bounce to it, so it's going to be yum, ba, yum, ba, and a little chassé pas de bourrée, quick feet, slow plié. And again, we'll do it again. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and a 6, and a 7, and I want to see this fifth. Ya-da-dum-bum. So we're working for some little, a few more accents in here as well, okay? So you notice that the music's going to go a bit quicker, and the balancé definitely has to still have a fondu here, and a push off here, and that third beat, you want to really make sure you're in plié here, and this leg is reaching out to the next bounce. That third beat is the transition, okay? And then you want to think fifth, and then slowly. So also you're working your muscles now, quick and slow, okay? Anyway, let's look at Michele.
Michele stretches through her leg as she steps forward, so it's full of energy and ready to turn on. She wants her hips high and forward, so she's using her stomach and buttocks muscles. As she plies, she stretches back to the left so that she can turn to the right. Watch how she again pushes down and out, arms and legs open. And there she is. She turns her head away from the balancé, so she can reach out. Look how she bounces and goes from foot to foot, covering space. Notice how she changes her eyes, head, shoulders, and arms against her leg and footwork. She looks out to the audience so that she can step out for the chassé pas de bourrée. She's moving quickly. Again, watch how Michele steps out and stretches out. This is very important to begin with this stretching out as far as you can. Watch the center of her body. She never loses her hips. And here goes that plié, pushing down and out. You see that? And there she is. See how she uses her head and eyes and dances through her upper body and arms. She perfectly matches her foot and leg work with energy and movement in her upper body. She's a complete dancer. Her whole body works as one. Energy is constantly radiating outward in all directions from the center of her body. She looks like what she does. Let's look at the balancé in slow motion. Whereas the waltz is down, up, up, the balancé is down, up, down. Count 1 is plié. Count 2 jumps up into the air. Count 3 is in plié, with the working leg reaching out to the next step. So you want to get to the fondu and then push yourself up so that you bounce up and out to the next step. You still have the same pattern as the waltz, but it's usually done to quicker music, so you want to attack it. It's more robust. It's a very hearty, friendly step. You want to bounce it, and be sure you stretch that third leg out. You see that? So you can cover space. Pushing, bouncing, stretching, and here's this little pas de bourrée, fifth, and fifth,